RiaTech Optical Eyeglass Cleaner Spray and Repair Kit with Microfiber cloth. Get 100% clear vision. This handy eyewear repair kit has just what you need to maintain and or repair your sunglasses or eyewear. Anti-static, non-toxic, non-irritant and non-flammable liquid. A good quality glass cleaner on the market. It can be easily used for eyeglasses cleaning or taking care of your reading glasses or sunglasses. Everything in your eyeglass repair kit and eyeglass cleaning kit is kept inside a clear plastic storage case for travel and at-home storage. It can be used to clean your phone, tablet, laptop screens, e-reader, notebooks and much more. The sunglasses cleaner kit comes with microfiber cloths and can be used to clean almost any surface. The keychain on the glass repair screwdriver lets you carry it anywhere. It is convenient, portable and easy to use. Safely quickly clean all lenses. It is also safe to clean eyewear with a no-glare coating. Simply spray on a cloth and gently wipe the lens surface and watch fingerprints, smudges, dirt and oils vanish. It is made of high-quality, environment-friendly material